Question is, which is more important to you, like the soft skills or the technical skills of a person?
Good question.
Good question.
Ako kasi yung pinaka-basic ko, of course, before jumping into the soft skills, yung prerequisite muna is yung hard skills or yung technical
Skills.
Pero it's just probably 40% of the equation. Pero before I jump into the soft skills, tignan ko muna yung hard skills. Pag nakapasa na siya doon, then yun na yung next mas tedious na screening, particularly work habits, communication habits, correspondences. Ako, I always, for lack of better term, is fire right away if hindi nagre-reply.
Alam ko yan.
Oo. Or hindi nagre-respond.
That's true.
Kasi the fact that you are not processing your inputs, kasi yung mga yun, inputs yun eh.
Yes.
Diba? It only means that you're not doing the job. Diba? And messages, emails, chats, those are inputs, business-related most of the time.
So you're saying soft skills are more important to you?
I would say yes, soft skills.
How about you, Chess?
I think that's the same. It's just that iba lang siguro yung approach ko dun, no? So, definitely may minimum technical qualifications. No, I think yun yung first entry point eh. Dapat at least meet niya yun, no? But it's in our day and age right now, one of the things that our micro and small businesses doesn't apply, to be honest. It's called hard competencies. Okay, hard competencies is converting your technical and soft skills into an implemented application in your work life. For example, ang tinitin that there are 9 major competencies. So let's not go into that. Mahaba siya talaga. But one of them is mastery. Mastery is the level of technical skills that you need for this particular job. Now, makikita mo yun sa pre-screening mo pa lang sa resume kung meet niya yun. So that's good. But I'm also looking for 8 other. And that's a combination of the soft skill, which is communication. But the communication becomes in a competency, collaboration, responsiveness, yung flexibility, yung adaptability. All those things becomes now, hindi lang siya communication, right? It becomes now this application, particular soft skills. Yun yung hinahanap ko, yung 9 competencies na yun. It can only be done when you're now having the interview. And you're putting the person in a case scenario. Pag ganitong scenario nito, paano mo siya gagawin? Yung ganun. Or, can you tell me of an experience of this particular nature?
So, mas mahirap mag-train ng soft skills than the technical skills. I mean,
character is never going to be taught. I think.
Yeah. I think.
Yung soft skills, yes. Communication skills, yung teamwork. I mean, you can train that. Pero pagka ayaw niya, which is character, hirap. Yun yung fire na kagad kasi meron na siyang risk.
Ako ang top soft skills na inaanap ko, maybe a character is entrepreneurial. No? Mahirap magganap doon, pero you'll be
savviness.
Lucky pag yung tao is very resourceful. I may know how to code, pero pwedeng pag hindi ka ganun ka-resourceful and all that. Kasi yung resourcefulness is something like you don't know some things, but you can learn and you can pull resources to know it.
Yes.
Diba? Or to learn it, or something like that. And some people are not that resourceful na pag meron silang kailangan gawin, they just don't do it.
Yeah.
Because they don't have resources, because I don't have this, because I don't have a budget, etc. Diba? Yung entrepreneurial kasi, they will do everything to finish the job or achieve the goal in whatever resources that they have. Diba?
So I think you're talking about like scarcity mentality.
Yes, parang
and limited perspective.